It's how easy it is. It's how easily they respond, how much passion they have for literacy if they just have the right hook. And how often we miss that hook, we miss that opening, where these kids are not just willing to learn, they are eager, they are desperate to learn. And so it's up to us as educators to find that hook and to get them excited.
Hi, I'm Madeline Smith. I'm very excited to be doing the Literate Voices project. This week has been just wonderful, fantastic, and I'm really excited too.
I think it's a wonderful experience. Dr. Padina, she did a wonderful job of diving into details of how to.
I can write just like them and I can be in a published book too. So that's one thing that I look forward to taking back from this conference and implementing and getting my students to think about in the classroom.
Hi, I really had a great training with Jyothi. It was really nice to learn how to get student engagement and have them excited to write their own books. And
we're looking forward to working with them and engaging with them. And what we're looking forward to be a wonderful start to the first set of books that we'll be writing together.
So it's such a great experience. I really enjoyed seeing all of the teachers connect with each other.
So being put in that position really opened my eyes to be able to take a step back and figure out where I'm going to need to pause, what I'm going to need to scaffold, and where I'm going to need to have certain discussions with my students so that they can have a good writing experience when they're writing their own vignettes.
I think the project, it was definitely a full week. It went really well. I enjoyed being a part of the project.
Get a chance to let their voices be heard. They have an awesome opportunity to be published at the end of this, which is a major accomplishment for anybody, let alone a high school student coming from Fresno, California.
Learn some new techniques to get our kids writing, and being in the beautiful scenery definitely helped. It's a great place to get to.
All right, I think it was a great program. I'm really excited to bring it back to my classroom. I think that students are going to learn a lot from this. Everyone has their own story, and
This will be my second time doing the Literate Voices project with Dr. Jyothi Padina, and I was very excited to bring this to McLean High School. One of the things that's going to be really unique is for so long our students read the experiences of others and try to connect their lives to it. And this is going to give them an opportunity where they get to be the content drivers, share their own experiences, and tell the story of our community.
Yes, I think Jyothi has a remarkable class going on, and I think she should take it to the universities. Really appreciate the week. It's a beautiful surrounding.
This project, the literacy project, has been fantastic. I've learned new strategies.
I think this project is really powerful.
I love what we did. The setting is amazing. All of it is sunshine and lots of happy faces.
And as well as to build community as they get to learn more about each other in the reading and the sharing of some of these personal stories. So I'm excited to do this with my students.
Of course, the setting you can see is beautiful, and just being able to spend 5 days with Dr. Padina has just been amazing.
This week of training has probably been the most amazing training I have ever attended. Mrs. Jyothi is an amazing trainer. I am so excited to take this information back to my students in my classroom and have them complete this project. I think they're really going to dig into it and really enjoy it as much as I did this week.